Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, check your iPad is iOS 14. 5 or newer and Bluetooth is on. Turn the Xbox controller on, then hold the pair button until the Xbox light flashes rapidly. On the iPad, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, look for the controller name and tap to connect. Once paired, the light will stay solid, that means linked. Make sure Call of Duty supports controllers in its settings and proceed to the game without delay. Once connected, launch Call of Duty and go straight to Settings then Controller. Enable controller support because otherwise inputs won't register. Choose a preset as a starting point, then switch to Custom to fine-tune. Map primary actions, aim, fire, jump, reload, and tactical abilities to buttons that feel natural. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity so stick movement matches your aiming speed. This improves accuracy. Save the profile. Finish by testing in a private match to validate aim, sprint, and reload feel right. If you see input lag or lost connection, first toggle Bluetooth off and on or repair the controller. That fixes most hiccups. Make sure both the game and iPad are updated and restart both devices if problems persist. Remember, adjusting sensitivity and dead zones usually resolves erratic aim. If nothing helps, repair and retry. That clears stale profiles and often restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.